how I made this song.
Ela quer sexo agressivo depois de fumar maconha. Que isso, piranha?
I have provided the FL Studio product file for you guys to learn from. You can download it below. Now, let's get into it. The first thing I always do is I start from the tempo, and for this specific song, I'll go with 125 BPM. BPM stands for beats per minute, so my song speed will be 125 beats per minute. Then, since it's already obvious that we're making Born a Hero funk, I need the Born a Hero original song. You can download it from a bunch of online sources. After that, I drag it in FL Studio. And then I want to separate the vocals from music, drums, bass, and etc. So I'll just use the built-in FL Studio stem separator to put them all apart. This is how the vocals sound like alone after separation. This is what the music sound like as well. In the chorus, I gave the music stem a kind of volume automation to create a unique rhythm. This is the bass after separation. It's really very deep and sub. I wasn't satisfied yet, so I went and created two patterns, one for on-key percussions and another for crazy basses. Here's how the perks sound first. And here's how the basses sound. I made a lot of drums, slapped perks, loops, shakers, and of course the kick. Here's how they all sound together. Quick note, if you want to get all these samples that I have used in this song and all my tutorials, I have linked the sample pack below. This is the acapella I used for the main song and gave it some reverb. You can also find this acapella in the sample pack.
Elas quer sexo agressivo depois de fumar maconha. Que isso, piranha? Sexo com essas sem vergonha.
Now for the mixing. It's a lot of good stuff. And as usual, if you want to see it, get the FLP for yourself. Join our Discord server. It's full of giveaways, events, support, and good stuff. Subscribe, and let's listen to the final results.